I done promoted I don't know how many things online, but there's one thing that really came to mind when it comes to affiliate marketing. If you watch more than 5 videos on my channel, you probably will come to the conclusion that I am big into affiliate marketing. I think affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. Now, I've been involved with affiliate marketing since like 2006, 2007. All right, so I done seen a whole bunch of different, affiliate programs. I done promoted I don't know how many things online, but there's one thing that really came to mind when it comes to affiliate marketing that I don't have a problem with once I realized this, but I think a lot of people who are thinking about getting involved with affiliate marketing should know this one thing, and it's very, very important. And that one thing is, if you are an affiliate marketer, you are a salesperson. All right, you are, right? And the only reason I'm saying this because a lot of people, they're like, I don't want to get into sales. I don't want a sales job or stuff like that. And then they'll turn around and be like, yo, but I'll get into affiliate marketing, right? And affiliate marketing is basically just sales. You're selling something. You're just selling something that's not yours. You're selling somebody else's product or service. And I think knowing that might either motivate you more or it might turn you away from affiliate marketing, because I've seen this throughout the years and I still see it. A lot of people want to get into affiliate marketing, but they don't want to sell. And no matter how you look at it, you have to sell. Now, in this day and age, a lot of people say, it's not about selling. Nobody wants to be preached to. Nobody wants to be like, hey, for $9.99 or for $29.99, you could do this and do that. Yeah, right? Yeah, nobody likes that. But selling, there's multiple ways to sell. So some people use the lifestyle approach where they're just, living their life. And then there's affiliate links, all throughout their bios and their video description. And some people are more presentational selling. Some people are, like I said, indirect selling. Some people do attraction marketing, right? Which is kind of connected to lifestyle, just doing what you do. But guess what? No matter how you look at it, it's still selling. You're still trying to get somebody to a sales page. No matter how you do it, right? Whatever your style is, your method is, you're ultimately a salesperson, right? And so when you think about affiliate marketing, you need to connect that with being a salesperson. So if you are into sales, you enjoy sales, or you want to get into the sales business, without a doubt, affiliate marketing is the way to go. You definitely, because there are thousands, if not millions, of things that you can be an affiliate of. All right, and that's just, it doesn't really even matter what industry, what niche you want to be in. You can find something to promote if you are a salesperson. If you have no problem, promoting things and talking about different things or making content about things, you'll be fine. But I stress, if you're not into the whole sales culture, if you're not into presenting stuff or like I said, selling, then affiliate marketing is not for you. You have to be willing to promote whatever it is that you're talking about. And like I said, I'm stressing that because I've seen it throughout the years. And like I said, I still see it today. A lot of people are like, yo, I don't want a sales job, right? But I'll do affiliate marketing. It's the same shit. It actually is the same. All right. So just making this video for anybody. Hopefully, you think about getting into affiliate marketing. Keep that in mind. All right. But like I said, if you are into it, affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is one of the best damn ways to make money online.